guys, it's Amanda and
Tiffany.
so today we have here red slush slime and green slush slime. So clutter from unicorn slime. Hi, I hope you enjoy your slime. Thanks for buying slime. Sincerely, unicorn slime. So got it here. So it's Christmas color. You see that, guys? And look, I see the letter.
Can you see?
Wait. The letter first before they.
Because
There.
and here's
Color.
It's so cool because
so-
it's so Christmassy. This one looks like there's no white beads.
Yeah.
This one looks like there's one. I have a black mark here. It has so many things.
Crunchy. So
Crunchy.
let's open. So guys, I opened mine. So.
Okay, so I opened mine also.
Oh, look at there. Oh my gosh. I think this is so stretchy. Oh guys.
Look at it. Look at it.
It's not guys, it's not pokey as well because it's like clay slime, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at there. Let's go away before they.
Oh, it's.
Oh, your face. Come on.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, it's ripped. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so it's this one.
It's not pokey as well.
Okay, guys. So this set, this one, have an activator.
It's not Marax.
It's not Borax.
Hey, your face.
If
Come on
it's-
here.
Guys, look. If it's like hardened and like this, if it's like that, if it ripped, you will just put the activator and it will be so stretchy.
And hope you guys our video. Bye.